To grow and care for silky dogwood, Cornus Amomum, a beautiful native shrub, follow these guidelines. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Silky dogwood thrives in moist to wet soils, making it ideal for rain gardens or along the edges of streams or ponds. It can tolerate partial shade to full sun. Planting time. Spring or fall is the best time to plant silky dogwood. Ensure the soil is adequately prepared and free from weeds. Watering. Silky dogwood requires consistent moisture, especially during its establishment phase. Provide regular watering to keep the soil evenly moist. Once established, it can handle occasional dry periods but performs best in moist conditions. Soil. Silky dogwood prefers moist, loamy soil but can tolerate a range of soil types, including clay. Improving soil drainage and organic matter content can be beneficial. Consider adding organic mulch around the base of the plant to conserve soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Pruning. Prune silky dogwood in late winter or early spring to remove any dead or damaged branches and promote new growth. It can also benefit from periodic rejuvenation pruning every few years to encourage vigorous growth and maintain a dense, attractive form. Fertilization. Silky dogwood generally does not require heavy fertilization. However, applying a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring can enhance its growth. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for appropriate application rates and avoid over-fertilization, which may result in excessive foliage growth and reduced flowering. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant, leaving space around the stem. Mulching helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Wildlife benefits. Silky dogwood is highly beneficial to wildlife, providing food and shelter. Its white flowers attract pollinators, and its berries are a valuable food source for birds. Consider planting silky dogwood as part of a wildlife garden or habitat restoration project to enhance biodiversity. By following these care instructions, you can enjoy the beauty of silky dogwood while providing valuable habitat and food sources for wildlife.